We are back with another blind box case from Pop Mart, and this time it's the new Skullpanda The Sound series. We've got 12 boxes and 13 figures to pull, including the secret, which is a 1 in 144 chance. So far, the theme, the aesthetic is very much giving Espa, and I am so here for it. The purple, the chrome, the silver, everything is just so beautiful. Y'all know what I'm about to say. Our goal for today is to pull the secret. Will this be the day we finally pull Pop Mart secret? We shall see. Is this the grief? Oh my god, shut up! Oh my god, she matches my nails. We were right, this one's the grief. This series has to be my favorite Skullpanda series, and we're only 2 boxes in. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. And I love how they all have that little tattoo detail on their leg. This one's a Serenity. I'm going to be reacting this way to every single figure we pull because I am genuinely in awe of how beautiful these were made. Okay, eyeshadow. Come on now, makeup. Look at that iridescence. How fitting. This one's called The Awe. This one's called The Anger. This one's a Disgust, and she very much is giving Lady Gaga. Oh my god, oh my god. Next time someone asks why I collect these, this is why. These are statement pieces. They're actual works of art. This one's a Pensiveness. This one's Admiration. The little fairy reminds me of Navi from The Legend of Zelda. Oh my god. Wait, who is she? This one's the Ecstasy. Wait, who's this one? Oh my god. This one's the Vigilance. So for the last box, we can either pull Trust or the chance of pulling the secret. Oh my god. Already off to a bad start. We did not pull the secret yet again, but we did pull the Trust, and she is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much to Pop Mart for allowing me to give you guys a first look at the new Skullpanda The Sound series, dropping this Friday, June 28th. Thank you for watching, and come back to see if I do end up pulling a secret.